Well, peace and blessings. I go by Mr. Wildenfree, and I'm a lyrical performing music artist and hip-hopper from the east side of Atlanta. Now, I've been making music for over a decade now. I've released about 11 projects and counting. I've explored so many different verticals, and the one thing in these most recent years that has really been helping to shape a more articulate and defined entrepreneurial path for me specifically has been Notion. Notion is this all-in-one workspace that has allowed me to truly craft some unique and bespoke systems that help me to articulate that vision with clarity across many of these verticals that I am exploring. From the music, to the pursuits within Web3 and NFTs, to organizing my client data for brand management, graphic design, marketing materials, consulting, you name it. From connected camping and organizing the back-end infrastructure for the counselors to be able to structure and facilitate one of the best wellness experiences and camping experiences in the Atlanta area. And also to organizing my personal life. There's so many different use cases that I've come up with exploring Notion. And I've learned so many tips, tricks, and hacks that have allowed me to really make the most out of this platform. I created this channel specifically to share that with you, so that you can learn how to use Notion the wild and free way. Now, I plan to release content consistently on this channel based on my availability across all of the other work that I have going on. I would love to be able to support you all by offering a new piece of content, a new video, a new walkthrough, at least twice a month. Now, if I really get into the swing of things and y'all start seeing more videos roll through, well hey, we'll just call that a bonus to what I've set out to do with this channel. I'm looking forward to sharing my workspace with you all and walking through a lot of these use cases. And I would love to hear you all's feedback and your questions and what you might like to see next, so that you're getting the most of what you can get from this channel. And along the way, of course, I'll have some template offerings that can help you to navigate this path a little quicker by giving you that plug and play experience to some of the workflows that I've created. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm looking forward to sharing more content and seeing what you all think about the workspaces that I use and the ways that I've set up the systems. Now, I have prefaced this channel by saying that it will be primarily about Notion. Yet at the same time, there are a plethora of tools that I use in my workflow and in my tech stack that allow me to execute on the various endeavors that I participate in. There will be times where I bring those other applications, software, platforms into the picture so that I can help create a more well-rounded experience of what it takes to execute on certain things. Now, with that being said, because of my pursuits within the Web3 space and with NFTs and dealing with this new technology, this blockchain technology, there's always going to be times where I want to help educate you all about what that is like as well. So if you're new to Web3 and you're new to this idea of blockchain and NFTs, talk to me. Give me some feedback. Let me know if y'all would like to hear a bit more in that area, and I'll be willing to give some clarity and point you all in the right direction to the many resources that I've used to learn as much as I possibly could, to the platforms that might empower you as an artist or creative to continue exploring this new space, and to monetize and take ownership of all of the things that you've set out to do as an independent artist or as a creative in whatever walk of life you're coming from. Even if you don't wish to be an independent, even if you wish to sign to a label or get that contract or work for a company, all of those things are fine. Yet and still, there's some new pathways opening up, and being aware of them can really help you to navigate. So, that's that on that. Until next time, y'all. Peace. And blessings. Peace and blessings.